everyone, Sophia here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Mom.
Hello.
And yeah, we're back in the kitchen and we are decluttering. Before we start, I want to apologize for the Friday video not being posted. Yeah, I erased the footage. Okay, this is what happened when you manage multiple channels, multiple cards, and you constantly, and all the other things. I mistakenly erased the footage. So I'm going to show you what we did and then we're going to get started. So we decluttered quite a bit actually. We did those two cupboards here and we moved things around. So we got rid of a lot of balls. Look, plenty of space over here. I added this shelf here we found at the thrift store. We got rid of all the tall glasses that would not go inside one another. If you remember, I had those glasses that were impossible. So it would take the whole shelf basically because you can't stack them. So I have to go to a thrift store and get more glasses. We separated the big plates and the short plates, and then the bowls are here. And then on this side, we did a big declutter of the mugs. There's some that are in the, there's more than this, okay, but there's some that are in the dishwasher right now. And then I had this one thing to lay all the bottles flat. I got rid of most of the bottles and they all fit here now. Yeah, so actually, you know what, I think that those little trays, you know which one I'm talking about, where you can put your bottles like this, right? They actually take more room. When you have like 5 bottles, you just can stand them. And then we decluttered quite a lot of the Tupperware and stuff, and then on top is kind of like miscellaneous, all right? So this is what we did, and here's again the box of declutter, so you can see that we decluttered quite a lot, okay, quite a lot. And some of it actually went to Edward's apartment in Stony Brook. But today we're going to tackle this. We're gonna do the 2 drawers, the 2 cupboards, and all of the little drawers here. So the 2 drawers is pathetic because this is the junk drawer. Everybody has one. I'm actually thinking of getting rid of it altogether. And then we have these. They all need to be cleaned. Over here, I have those pull shelves. If you remember, I installed that in the last declutter last year. And then I keep my teas there and a bunch of other stuff. And I think I need to put my teas somewhere else. This is not working out for me. And then over here, I have more miscellaneous. More miscellaneous, and we need to go through it. Random tea, random stuff. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. Alors, est-ce qu'on a besoin d'un tiroir, ce qu'on appelle ici un junk drawer? Est-ce qu'on en a besoin?
On a besoin d'un tiroir comme ça. Seulement, il y a beaucoup de choses là-dedans qui doivent être éliminées parce qu'elles ne servent pas ou qu'elles sont inutilisables immédiatement. Donc on peut faire un tri de ce qui est régulièrement utilisé et le reste le mettre ailleurs. Ce qu'on peut faire également, c'est changer ce tiroir-là, le mettre là, c'est-à-dire mettre les couverts là, de façon à ce que quand on défait la machine à laver, la vaisselle, on puisse immédiatement, sans bouger, pour remplir les couverts ici. Et ça, à ce moment-là, on le met là. Enfin, c'est une idée, hein. Mais comme vous avez l'habitude de vous servir de ça, les habitudes sont dures.
Alright, so let's empty the junk drawer. And then we're going to empty everything first, and then we're going to figure out where we're going to put things.
Oui, voilà, ça va plus vite, hein, enfin à mon avis.
Alright.
Oui. Ok.
It's gonna take some learning curve, but okay. Alright, let me wash this one. And we'll move on to the next drawer. Okay, so now we got this one that's done. And then this one is ready to go. So what we're gonna do is, we're not gonna do the junk drawer yet, because I gotta figure out what we really need to keep in the kitchen. But let's look at these drawers and see what we can put in that big one. Okay. Alright, so not that.
Ça va en bas, ça va dans les outils.
Ben non, c'est de la truc pour la dinde et...
Oui, la dinde, tu l'as fait tous les combien?
Ok, ça va en bas. This, I don't need.
C'est pour le thé?
Non, j'en ai pas besoin.
Non.
This, I need. That's for tea. This, I need. C'est pour le maïs. I'm gonna keep it here. That's another tea thing. Tea
Le
thing.
thé?
Alright. Un peu. D'accord. This. Ça, je m'en sers pas.
Parce que tu veux pas t'en servir, c'est tout.
Non, parce que j'en ai pas besoin.
Parce que tu n'as pas trouvé l'utilité. Non, ça va avec ça. Ça doit rester là. Je trouve que il est très bien là. Regarde ce truc-là. Troisième, là. Alors ça, c'est...
Ça, c'est du thé.
Bon, ça va, reine.
Tu peux jeter.
Ça, c'est quoi?
Tu peux jeter. Et ça va avec ça.
Ah bon?
Ouais.
Oh.
So, I'm keeping these. They are the nicest ones, the lacquered ones, and Mom wants to keep those for the garden. On les garde pour le jardin, pourquoi?
Alors, tu les gardes pour le jardin quand tu fais un plan que tu sèmes quelque part, ouais, pour marquer l'endroit où tu as semé, tu plantes ça. Et quand ça commence à pousser, éventuellement, même tu peux accrocher le premier plant de tomate, tu peux l'accrocher là-dessus, éventuellement.
Alright, next. Ça, on en fait quoi?
Ben, on va essayer de le caser dans un tiroir utile par là.
Ok. Celui-là, il est cassé. Il marche pas.
On jette.
These are my cookie cutters. I use them once a year for Christmas. Ça, je l'utilise qu'une fois par an à Noël.
Ben, tu fais un coin pâtisserie.
Alright, these are all the handles. These are the handles for the corningware. A lot of people don't realize that you can put corningware on the flame or on the electric plates. So you need handles, specific handles for them. The only problem is that I don't have the right size handle. These handles are all the same size and they only work with the ones that are an inch and a half to 2 inches. I don't have handles for the very long ones like this. You see, these are too small. So, unfortunately, I can't keep them all. They take a lot of room. I'm only gonna keep one because that's all I need for that one part. So, I'm gonna sell those. They gotta get clean, but that's declutter. There's a bamboo straw, don't need declutter. Alright, put that here, put this here. Can use that here. Non?
Non, pâtisserie, c'est pas pâtisserie, ça. C'est un truc qu'on peut utiliser.
Alright, so this is just pastry. We got this here.
Ça va?
Here, I'm gonna put stuff that we don't use very often, like the corn on the cob things. That can go here. Ça, je le mets où?
Ben, tu le mets à portée de main. Tu t'en sers tous les combien de ça?
Rarement, mais je m'en sers.
Rarement. Bon, ben, mets-le là-dedans.
Okay, we can put that here. C'est du thé.
Quand on fait un changement dans une cuisine, on peut se tromper d'emplacement. Donc au fur et à mesure que tu vas utiliser les objets que tu as mis là-dedans, tu vas te rendre compte soit qu'ils sont bien placés, soit qu'ils sont mal placés.
Okay.
Ouais. Et à ce moment-là, tu pourras encore faire des échanges.
Okay.
Ouais. Bon. Alors aujourd'hui, simplement, on fait un débarras de tout ce qui encombre et qu'on doit jeter. Le reste, après, éventuellement, on le replacera dans un tiroir ou dans un autre.
Bon, on va faire
On va faire le tri.
Le tri.
De ce,
Du tiroir. Let's do the junk drawer.
Bon.
By the way, just in case you're wondering, today's Sunday and it's the day we have this big storm, and this is what it's looking like. We have about, I don't know, there's a lot of wind, but it's about 6 inches, a little bit over. And yes, this is still here. We had to do new weights on it, but it's still here and it protects the car. So yeah, enjoy. Poor Scott, he already went and shoveled once. You gotta do it as you go, because otherwise... The junk drawer, right? We're gonna go through it. This is the box for things we're gonna keep as a junk drawer. And then we have one over there that's for stuff that's gonna go back downstairs. And then I have a trash bag right here for stuff that needs to go to the trash. Okay. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on garde dans ce tiroir?
Alors, dans ce tiroir, tu gardes ce qui est nécessaire pratiquement tous les jours ou dans la semaine. Bon, tous les jours, manifestement, ça.
Doggy bags.
Bon.
Okay.
Seulement, tu n'as pas besoin d'avoir tous les rouleaux.
Si.
Oui. Bon. Alors,
Oui,
les rouleaux.
C'est
au fur et à mesure.
C'est infernal de quand il n'y en a pas. On ne sait jamais s'il en reste. Non. So doggy bags. This is...
C'est quoi ça?
C'est du plastique pour mettre sur les fenêtres.
Dans le grand pot, là, dans le 30.
Au sous-sol.
Au sous-sol.
Les clips. Bag clips. They're cute, they look like little cats.
Oui, ça, on va en garder quelques... On va les garder.
Yeah. La colle.
Éventuellement.
1 centimètre.
Tu en as besoin ici? Pose la question.
Celui-là, il marche pas. C'est un truc pour les batteries, ça marche pas.
Aujourd'hui.
Ça, oui, c'est une des lumières qui va en dessous. Pour attacher les tomates.
Au jardin.
Encore une glu.
Une quoi?
Glu.
Glu. Laquelle? Ça, c'est liquide peut-être.
Oui, ça c'est liquide, ça c'est en bâton.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a de mieux?
C'est la même chose.
C'est la même chose. Bon, on va garder.
So now we're putting everything back together. So that's the front of the drawer. Quick update. So this is all trash. I'm not gonna keep that. It's more bother than anything else. Big bag of trash right here. And then all of this here so far is relocate. it's basically all going down to the basement in various boxes. Here's my new junk drawer. It's been moved there. This has been moved here because it's closer to the dishwasher. And then I have my tea stuff. This. Miscellaneous. Pastry. And more miscellaneous. Satisfaite?
Bah oui, on a mis le nécessaire dans un tiroir qui est utile.
Okay. Now, is it going to stay like this? Ça va rester comme ça?
Ça, j'en sais rien.
Pourcentage de oui.
30.
She has no faith in us. Okay, what can I say? Anyway, so this was, we're going to call it Declutter 2 because 2 was erased. Again, I'm very sorry. And I know you were disappointed. Some of you were quite vocal about it. It happens, okay? I trust me, nobody's more upset than I am. But that being said, this was number 2. Number 3, we're going to do the cupboards, which I don't think we're going to get rid of a lot of things because I'm very attached to my ceramic bowls, and I know she doesn't like them because they're too heavy, but they're not going anywhere. But you never know, we might find something, and I need to relocate my cheese. So anyway, I'll see you next time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video about decluttering or otherwise. And then you can find me on Facebook and Instagram at My Great Challenge. Patreon for more behind the scene with mom and the family. Patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. All my Etsy shops, the links are down below. We will see you on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.